Alright people, this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha Reggae Lounge at the new location in Dominican Republic. We have two fresh victims in Mosha Reggae Lounge. Now, they're going to tell you where they're from and their name, and then they're going to tell you how they like the food. What's your name, baby?
My name is Audrey.
Audrey.
I'm from Montreal.
Montreal. My mom's name is Audrey. Tell them
This food is the best Jamaican food I have ever had.
Okay, so you hear that? I'm coming to her husband in a minute. She's from Montreal. Her name is Audrey. They had the shrimp curry and they had the jerk chicken. Okay? And when she tasted it, I forgot to get her tasting the food. She said, wow, wow. Then her husband now, what's your name, brother?
My name is Joel.
Joel. Joel, where are you from?
I'm from Montreal as well, Montreal, Canada.
And so you know that the people in Montreal, they taste West Indian food. So don't let them look fool you. Them are real West Indian food lovers, so them know. Right? So tell us how you like the food.
Well, this is excellent. We have a good festival, jerk chicken festival. This is a lot better, so I'm really, really happy.
Okay, you hear what he said? He said they have jerk chicken festival in Toronto, right?
And Montreal.
In Montreal, and this is better. Yo, get it through your head. Better. So look, guys, remember that. We have people from all over the world. Montreal, China, India. No matter where you look like, no matter where you come from, we are all Jamaican. And one love we are dealing. We're not dealing nothing more than one love. Guys, respect. Thank you for your support. And I'm so glad. You see that? Do that again. Do that again. One love. See it, guys? Boom shack attack. Remember that. Always speak good about people. Don't speak anything bad. One love. Mosha out. Yeah.